Magandang araw mga kamatinkers, nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode kung saan i-discuss natin kung paano isolve yung standard equation ng circle gamit lamang po yung graph. At the same time, yung center ng ating circle is located po sa point 0, 0 or sa madaling salita, nasa origin po ng ating Cartesian plane. So simulan na natin. Para po ma-solve yung given dito, kailangan lang po natin i-define kung ano po yung ating formula ng ating circle or standard equation ng circle, and that is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared, where hk here is the point of the circle and that is considered to be the center of our circle. While r here is our radius, and in order for us to proceed with our standard equation of the circle, let us first find the value of h, k, and r. Since the center of our circle is at point 0, 0, and this represents our point hk, the value of h here is 0, our k is also 0, at yung r na lang yung kulang. So, ang kailangan na po natin is to measure the distance from the center going to any point of the circle, may it done upwards, downwards, or sidewards, to measure its radius. So, all we need to do is to determine the distance from here going here. So, yan yung ating aalamin. And we all know that we have 4 units here. So, our radius is equal to 4. Apat siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, apat yung ating radius. In this case, dahil nahanap na natin yung tatlong values ng mga variables na ito, all we need to do is to substitute. In this case, x minus 0 quantity squared plus y minus k is 0, so 0 squared equals to 4 squared. What did you notice? Yung h here, k, at saka yung r, lahat yan pinalitan lang po ng mga values na nakuha na natin. And the next step is to simplify. So x minus 0 is x, copy lang po yung 2 na exponent, plus y minus 0 is y. Ayan. Copy lang din yung 2. Then 4 squared is 16. And we have now our final answer. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you have concerns, questions, pwede po kayong mag-comment sa comment section sa baba. Maraming salamat po ulit. Bye-bye!